Hello everyone, welcome to Mohan's Teaching Corner. Today we are going to learn about the concept of learning. Let us start. See, the learning starts with the pre-birth. That means when the child is in the mother's womb, then the babies recognize the mother's voice and responds according to that. In the infancy, okay, babies learn through senses. They connect the experience with the outcome. Early childhood, children develop the casual relationship. They understand actions have consequences. Let us see here the learning through direct experience. See here the child touches the burning matchstick. Okay, what is the consequence? The child get pain. And what is the association? The brain connect with the flame with the pain. Here, flame and pain, it is got associated. The adaptation, the child avoids all the burning objects in the future. So this is the learning through direct experience. Here, experiential learning patterns. There are four patterns are there. One is physical learning, taste learning, social learning, and risk assessment. What is physical learning? They touch, okay, and feel. Okay, here the touching the fire hurts. Stay away from the hot things. Then taste learning. Here the baby is touching the so green apple, which taste sours. So she's going to ripe the fruits which are not green apple. Okay, so social learning. So they are going to learn with the people. So, for example, be careful with the people you don't know. So, pay attention to how others act. Then, risk assessment. See here, dogs that barks a lot rarely bite. Things are not always what they seem. So, this is the exponential learning patterns. Then here we'll learn about the direct versus indirect learning. So learning means experience instantly. Okay, learning by doing. Okay, it is a part of NEP. Okay, quick feedback, strong brain links, long lasting effect. This is the direct learning. What is indirect learning? Watching others, listening to the lessons, learning from the society, learning through others. So, this is the direct learning and indirect learning. Then, the learning process. How the learning process happen? There are four ways happen the process. One is experience, second one is processing, third one is connection, fourth one is adaptation. What is experience? First of all, we see with our eyes in a and feel the something new in this world. Then after that, it is going to be processed through by our brain, and our brain thinks about what we learned. Here, then connection. Our brain links what is happened and what might happen next. Then adaptation. We change how we act based on what we learn. If you want to, you can take this screenshot. Experience, processing, experience through eyes and processing through brain, and then it eliminates our brain. Then we are going to adapt next time. This is the learning process. Then behavioral changes through learning. How? It is going to change our behavior through learning. Okay. Then here we are going to like reach full potential, that is self actualization. Then we are going to social adapt. We are going to navigate the relationship. Then safety behaviors, avoiding the danger things. Then basic survival. So meeting the fundamental needs. This is the behavioral changes through learning, self actualization, social adaptation, safety behaviors, and basic survival. Then here let us just read the definitions. So Gardner Murphy, what he said, learning is the acquisition of new behavior as a result of experience. And remember this, Henry P. Smith, what he told, learning is the acquisition of new behavior, okay, through experience. And Robert S. Woodworth, what he told, learning is the process of new knowledge and response. Then Kingsley and Gary, what he told, learning is a process of which behavior change through practice or training. Here, Cressy Robinson and Harry Rocks, what he told, learning is the process by which an organism is satisfying its motion, acquires a new mode of response. Then Crow and Crow, what he defined, learning involves acquisition of habits, knowledge, and attitude. Okay, it helps individual make necessary adjustments in life. Then Hilgard, what defined is, learning is the process by which an activity is changed through reacting the encountered situation. Then Kimble, what he told, learning is a relatively permanent change, is a behavior potentiality that occurs as a result of reinforced practice. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this and you can read this. So let us see lifelong learning journey. So learning happens from womb to tomb. Okay, from before we born into the earth, then up to the where we went, like up to the death, the learning process happens. So here the some of the outcomes, 90% our brain developments, okay, before the age of 5 years. Okay, see our neutral neural connections confirm daily learning through it's almost 10,000 plus. Then 70% experience is the percentage of learning that come from the experience rather than formal education. So around 80 plus years learning age, people continue to active learning well into their 80s. Up to the 80 years, one can learn. Okay, this is the thing. So please do like and subscribe my channel, Mohan's Teaching Corner. Thank you. All the best for your coming exams.